Hey everyone! I recently found myself wondering, why are granny squares traditionally made with groups of 3 double crochets? What would happen if we used only 2 instead? As soon as that idea popped into my head, I had to test it. I was curious to see whether the square would still hold its shape nicely, how much time it could save, and whether it would use less yarn. For this experiment, I decided to work groups of 2 double crochets separated by 1 chain stitch. In the corners, instead of the usual 2 chains, I used 3 chains. So, let's get started. definitely more open and lacy looking, which isn't really surprising. But does that actually make it better? Stick around until the end of the video to see the full comparison and my final thoughts. Off camera, I also made a traditional granny square so I could compare the time, yarn usage, and overall look. Here's what I found. 2DC granny square 5 rounds took 11.5 minutes and yarn used was 175 cm. Traditional 3DC granny square 5 rounds took 14.5 minutes and yarn used was 240 centimeters. That means the 2DC granny square works up about 20% faster than the traditional 3DC version, and the yarn savings are very similar. In other words, for every 5 squares you make, one is basically free in terms of time and yarn. Or, if you normally make 4 squares, you could make 5 in the same amount of time. Thank you so much for watching. Every comment helps this channel grow, so I'd love to hear from you. See you next Tuesday.